This transformer is done. It is short-circuited. So I figured we could have a little bit of fun with it until it blows. I don't even think I can really make any arcs, maybe a little. Yeah, that's baby. But I hear it sizzling, it's on its way out. Oh, I think it's actually, it's still running, unbelievably. I'm gonna go ahead and just let it go. It's on a 40 amp breaker. That breaker's not gonna trip. And it's making some good noises. Wonder what would happen if I, oh God. Oh yeah. This thing is, holy shit. God damn. This was a bad idea. I don't want to get near it. I'm afraid it's gonna blow up. Holy shit. I do not want to get near that thing, guys. Damn. Smoked out the whole building. Ugh. You know what the worst part is, guys? It's still on. I can't even shut it off. Holy shit. I really need to, though. But I feel like an idiot if I'm gonna run over there and try and shut it off. Don't know what to do. I really don't want to get burned. I'm afraid it's gonna blow up any minute now. God, it's still on. That 40 amp breaker just won't trip. Holy shit. Holy shit. The breaker's still on. Oh my God. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit. I gotta, holy shit. God damn. I gotta turn this thing off. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was scary. That was really scary. Jeez. So the power's off. It's still hooked up, so maybe I'll give it another round. Jeez. I think it